Now I'll show you how to add payment provider to your Shopify store. So go to Settings and click on Payment Providers. And under Shopify Payments, click Complete Account Setup. And on the next page, all you will have to do is just put a few details about your business, company's house registration number if you have it, obviously if you're VAT registered, your address, personal details, so product details, customer billing statement. So obviously how your store will appear on customers' invoices or on the bank statements, telephone number, and obviously connected with your bank account. Once that's done, simply click Complete Account Setup.